To go to a tropical rainforest but couldn't go for financial reasons, Chucho's Resort is the place for you. Located in the central heart of Africa in the Congo. And remember, pets are always allowed.
We have an amazing, long-lasting river that helps our wild animals get water and use. We have tall trees and exotic snakes. We have monkeys, tigers, beautiful flowers, and communists and people that live in the village nearby. We have volleyball net for your pets. Giving Chucho's Hotel the best quality pet resort giving them a spa day and dressing up. Don't worry, we will give them the best day ever.
This is a glimpse of our spa.
Just wrapped it on her.
She's very much. I like this very much. Very, very much.
Oops.
Yay!
We have friendly natives that come and visit us.
We also have a nightclub. Natives are here all night long.
Make it rain!
Yeah! We have friendly visitors. Remember, it's only $100 a night. We have all these utilities. Come join the fun! Erica Ruiz, Veronica Morales, Jennifer Martinez.
Oh. Meow!